This is a problem that spanned generations, and I'm here to solve it today. I remember doing this for my mom and my wife too. Although she does nothing wrong, and somehow this is my fault. So I'm gonna go ahead and make this video to teach her how to do this correctly, and every other person needs to know too. Everything with a cord that doesn't retract has two hooks. And there's mostly always a clip on there for the cord. If not, you can simply just tug it out. Either way works. Either way, it keeps you from tripping over the carpet cleaner and spilling dirty water all over the floor, and your shoes and everything else that's going on. That's all there is to it. If you really want to get slick, you can clamp it and tie it. There you go. That's wife lesson number 1. I think I'm going to make a whole series.